Hi everyone. Now in this video we are going to see how to upload mocks in ERP. This is one of the subjects mocks of us in SEM 1. Here we have 12 questions. If we observe the first person, he written first question, not attempted second question, third, fourth written. Like that he attempted few questions, he is not attempted few questions. According to our rule, those questions are not attempted, we need to place -2, whereas if any student is absent, we need to give -1. So our job is to fill -2 where the student is not written, nothing but not attempted. That is why I am going into replace option. I am replacing all empty places of those particular cells with -2. Over. Now here that yellow color cell is there, na? There one student is absent. So as he is absent, as I kept A, I am going to replace A with -1. So as I said, a student is absent means we need to keep -1 to all questions, and if a student not attempted, we need to give -2. Now I am going to ERP under courses. I am going into my CC list and I selected 2022-23 odd semester. Here in this course I am going to marks posting. All these are evaluation components. Now I am going to post marks for in semester 1. If we click on this, default it will be in set number 1. We have two options, download and upload. I downloaded. This is a CSV, empty CSV, got it. Here this column is for student roll number, student name, and the course code will be there. First of all, 41 students are here. Now I am going to check whether the students maintained in the result analysis and here are same or not. I went to result analysis, I copied all those numbers and I am going to copy all those into CSV. Now I need to check whether the sequence of numbers are proper or not. So first same, second same, third same. For that we are checking like this, equal to, we are subtracting those so that we need to get 0. So yes, if we drag it, all are zeros, so all are in same order, so we can copy paste all those marks directly to here. So this is one of the way of checking. Now we will start uploading or posting marks into our CSV. Now we need to give evaluator. Evaluator employee ID is 5495 I am giving. So 5495, 5495, I am dragging this. While we are dragging, we need to be very conscious because the number may be continued. We should give only one number. 1, 2, I am giving as booklet numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 41. Next, I am going my result analysis and copying all those 12 questions marks of 41 students, and I am going to paste this in our CSV. Yes, and we know that student is absent -1. In remarks I am writing same absent. So finally we upload all 41 students marks into our CSV. Next step, we are going to save this CSV and we need to upload this CSV into our ERP. Now 41 students marks are ready. So save this. Now we are going into our ERP. So in SEM 1, previously where we downloaded, here we are browsing the marks, so that select it, upload option, upload it successfully. After uploading, we should not forget that we need to go to our CC list again under the course and we need to view the marks. So now in SEM 1 marks, view option is there. We need to view, again come back and again press view button, then we can see the marks we uploaded. So if you observe, all 41 students are marks are uploaded, and absent is there, one remark we have mentioned. No? So this is the way of uploading marks into our ERP, so that if we click on report, report will not come. Why? Because we need to upload all component marks. We upload only in SEM 1. That is why it is not appearing. So this is the way of uploading the marks into ERP. Thank you.